Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this keyhole design, this oval shape design, and this heart shape design on the top. If this is what you're interested in, please watch till the end. So I'll be marking a normal basic fitted top. I'm getting my top length. I'll be using freehand for this. Then I'll get my shoulder divided by 2. I'll make a mark. Then I'm going to come down by 7.5 for my armhole length, then my bust point and my half length. So I'm going to do a normal basic 3x7 v-neck. I'm done marking, I'll connect it this way. Then after that, I'm going to come down by 1 inches this way for my shoulder slope. Then I'll connect and add my ½ inch stitching allowance. Then I'm going to mark my normal bodice, bust divided by 4 plus 2 inches stitching allowance, waist divided by 4 plus 2 inches stitching allowance. Then I'll connect it this way. Then I'm going to use my curve ruler to curve my armhole. When I'm done with that, I'll cut it out. Then after this, I'm going to trace the back. I'll trace the back this way, and then I'm going to use 1.5 inches for the neck depth, 3 inches for the width. Then I'll connect this way and cut out. I repeated this same measurement on the milk color fabric because I'll be making 2 different tops. For the milk color I use round neck, then for the black I use v-neck. So I'm going to use my interface to cut out the shapes I'll be working with. I'll be working with oval shape and heart shape. Just watch closely how I make this shape. This can be any shape you want. So first I'll make a smaller shape, then I'll make a bigger shape just this way. Then I'll cut it out. Just watch closely how I'm cutting out this my interface. Then after that, I'm going to cut out the middle parts this way. And there's our oval shape there. Then I'll go ahead to repeat this to get the number of shapes I'll be working with. Here are the shapes. I'm done cutting them out. Then I'm going to make another shape for the black top. I'll be making a love shape, a heart shape or a love shape, whichever. Then I'm going to connect it this way. Just watch. I'm using my hand to create the shape. I'll create a smaller shape, then a bigger shape, just the way I'm doing it. After that, I'll cut it out. Then I'll cut the inner shape also. And when cutting this shape, I did the cutting on a fold. My interface was on a fold. That way, if I open it up, it will give me the shape I want. Then I'm going to repeat this till I get the desired number of shapes I'll be working with. Here they are. I'm done. So here are the two different shapes I'll be working with. After that, I'm going to take the front of my top, place it this way, and then go turn up the neck like this. I already cut the facing for it. I'll go turn it up, and when I'm done with that, I'll bring it back. Okay, so now I'm done turning up the neck, and I've secured it with my hemming gum. So I'm going to place this on the fabric this way, and then I'm going to iron it down. I'll repeat the same thing for the black fabric, and when I'm done, I'm going to trim it out this way. If you watch closely, I'm not trimming it exactly on the shape I just made. And then as I'm done with this now, I'm going to iron it this way, just the way I'm doing. I'm going to iron it down, and I'm done ironing it, and I used my hemming gum to secure it. So I'll be placing these keyhole shapes on the front part of the top, not the back, the front, just the way I'm doing it. You place it this way. You can decide to place yours however you want. So this is how I'll be placing mine. And then when I'm done placing, I'm going to sew inside. Watch closely, the open space inside. I'm going to sew inside. So I'm done sewing, as you can see. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cut out that space inside, just what I'm doing. Just watch closely how I'm doing it. I'm going to cut out that space. I'm going to open all of them up this way. I'm making notch across all of them. This to help release the fabric, so when I'm turning it, it won't be so difficult. I'm also going to repeat this for the black top. Then I'll notch. And when I'm done, I'm going to turn it over this way. I'm going to turn it to the back side of this top. I'll repeat it. I'll turn all of them over to the back. When I'm done turning it over to the back, I'm going to use my iron and iron it down, then use my hemming gun to hold it down. I'm going to repeat this for the black top also. So I'm done ironing. As you can see, I used my hemming gun to hold it down this way, and I also went ahead to hem the armhole. I repeated the same process for the black top. See how it turned out. I also went ahead to hem the armhole as well. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do so to subscribe to this channel for more contents like this. I'm going to take the back piece and then I'm going to close it up this way, and then our top is ready. Please like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. See you all in my next video. Bye.